Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. So today, per request, I am going to show you guys how I style my hair and how I use my little styling hair dryer. I don't know what they're called, but so yeah, basically I have a lot of layers, and normally I do this right after the shower while my hair is still wet or damp, but my hair is completely air dried, so but it's fine, it'll still work. I think it works best when your hair is wet though. You're gonna need your styling tool, your hairbrush, and heat protectant spray. I use TIFFANYMAI. I zoomed you guys out a little bit so you guys can see better, but yeah, I just like brushing through my hair so that there's no knots. That way the styling tool won't get caught up in your hair too, and pull out your hair. So this also helps take out like any hair that is like shedding. That way your tool won't get so much hair caught up in it. So yeah. All right, so this styling tool, I forgot like what brand it was. It doesn't say on the actual tool, but I got this at TJ Maxx and I actually got it on sale for 18 bucks. These are actually quite expensive, so yeah, I was pretty lucky. Honestly, really quickly, I just want to say that this is a life changer. I really hated having to dry my hair and then go in with like another tool to style my hair, so this does it all in one and it takes like 10 minutes, so it's really quick. This has 3 settings and I turn it on to the third one, which is the highest. Actually, before I turn it on, so the way that I style my hair, so normally it would be wet like I said, but what I do first is I actually leave my curtain bangs last and I do them last, but I start by curling this section of layers first. And the way that I curl my hair is I take it and I curl it in towards my face like that, and sometimes I spin it upside down and go like that. That way my hair will curl in, because that's how I personally like my layers to look. And then after I'm done with this layer, then I will start with my longer layers. I like to dry my hair from underneath here too, because doing it like this will create volume in your hair. If you do it from up here, it'll flatten your hair, so you won't have that much volume too. So yeah, that's basically how I do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair with heat protectant spray. And just kind of brush through the heat protectant spray again, just to really get it all in there. Okay, I should probably explain how I do that. So I grab my bangs, which is my fingers, just the front, and then I take my brush and I go from behind and then I spin it out like this while the brush is on. And so that's how I get the style that I like. So let me just go ahead and do it. So here you guys can see the finished outcome. So then my bangs will like kind of curve out this way, which looks really cute, and then my layers down here curl in this way. So it adds like a lot of dimension to my hair, just really pretty and layered. So yeah, this is how I like styling my hair. This is how I style my layers, and yeah, these tools are such a life changer. Again, I just have to say it. And actually, since my hair was already air dried completely, I pretty much was just styling my hair, so it took like less than 3 minutes. I hope that was helpful. I never really done a hair tutorial before, so I'm sorry if I suck. But yeah, that's basically what I do. I just turn the brush in, turn the brush out for my bangs, and voila, that's how I style my layers. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.